What's up everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be driving this SCX24 deadbolt with a new Injora motor in it. I just put this in and I was actually recording a video about that on GoPro, but something happened and now I can't get to any of the clips anymore. Like something like the file's corrupt or whatever. I don't really know and I have no clue how to fix it. Regardless, this Injora motor is in there. I've tested it out a little bit already. Works amazingly so far. And other than that, all the same upgrades and everything, although I did get a new ESC because the old one broke. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go drive.